Hey there, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you on how you can find non-copyrighted music for free for your YouTube videos. So YouTube has its own non-copyrighted music. So let's get started. Here I am on my YouTube channel. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is go onto your YouTube studio. So, to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your YouTube icon, your YouTube channel icon, and then right there, YouTube studio. So, you're going to go ahead and click that, and you're going to be brought to your channel dashboard. Now, you got all of these options right here. We're going to see audio library, so I'll scroll down. So, audio library. It has so many songs, so let's go check it out. Lots of different artists and lots of different types of songs. So let's just say your YouTube video has a certain kind of feeling to it. So you're gonna need a certain song that fits. So let's click on genre right here. You can actually filter it. So let's just say it's cinematic. I'm going to check mark it. You can also check mark others too. And I'm going to click apply. And all of these are now going to be cinematic. The genre is going to be all cinematic. Now, we can also do many other stuff. So track title, mood, artist name, duration. So let's do the mood. It's going to be inspirational. Genre, cinematic, mood, inspirational. So you can play it. See if you like it, and then go ahead and download it. And you can keep on looking and looking. Now, as you can see, a few of them are starred here. I star them myself. So these are songs I like to put in my YouTube videos sometimes, or put into different videos. And I just starred them, so in case I ever need to find them again, I can just go to the starred icon here and choose one of them. I have a lot of starred here. Now, not only is there free music, but there's also sound effects. So that's kind of nice too. So YouTube has everything you need right in it. Yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can see more tech tutorials just like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!